Hi guys, welcome to RK IT HELPDESK. In this session, we are going to learn about how to make resume easily on online. There are so many websites in online now, so we can make resume very attractive. So let's start. I will go with the plocv.io website. Open website plocv.io. Just log in. I have already logged in and I have already prepared one resume here. There are there are four options here: dashboard, content, design, and check. Just go to dashboard. Dashboard, we have a resume, cover letter, email signature, website, application. Lot of features are there. We'll go with resume. So I have already one resume. We can edit personal details. In personal details, we can put our name, email ID, phone number, address, and date of birth. All the details here. Job title. Can put our social media. In personal detail, we can put a website and other services. And objective, job objective. We have to put here job objective. Can edit and put here job objective. And you can make alignment, whatever you required. Cancel it. Professional experience. Clicking professional experience, we can add experience, employer name, means company name, job title, location, and start date and end date. If this company is our present company, you can choose your present company. So then no need to add your end date. You can only keep your start date. There is no end date for present company. Put your job description, means roles and responsibility and achievements. You can put here and just save it. And put here education details. It will take automatically latest education on top. It will short with latest data and it will take on top of your latest education. Okay. Also, we have to add our skills. The recruiter will search in the Naukri portal. Also, there is a skill option. We have to add these points in there also. Okay. This is the content point. If you want to change your design, you can click on design and start with template. You can choose your design whatever you required. If you want this design, you can choose this. It will take automatically all the details and modified with new template. Just go with this. See, it is modified with this format. We don't have photo here, so that's why it is looking some different. See, this is also good template. So we can do like this and just click on download, preparing your resume. See, resume is downloaded as a PDF. See, resume is downloaded as a PDF. Okay, hope you understand how to make resume online. Okay, if you like the video, please do comment, share with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe RK IT Helpdesk. Thank you for watching.